Wow.
1, 2, 3. Wow, I feel like I'm a deer in headlights. And you know how car shows are. You know the drill. Bill, this isn't his first rodeo. He brings quality, and I really want to thank him. Where's Bill? Bill, thank you for coming. Thank you for organizing this.
It's a pleasure to do something for helping seniors or assisted living and memory care. This is the 4th show I've done here. I like this place very much. I highly recommend it if somebody was looking for a place. I do a lot of assisted living, and this is my favorite. And Eric, you've got a great team. And I thank everybody so far that's come out. And God, I love you. But thanks a lot. And you need a light for that cigar. Thank you.
Yeah, so thank you, Bill, for organizing this. And everybody see Bill all over town. I tell everybody, it's almost like a cult. When you're into cars, you know where to come to all the shows. And you have the reputation. And I think this is the fourth car show we've done here at Chateau. So I'm really looking forward to it, and we're trying to make these locations as some of the biggest followings of people coming. But again, we're gonna have music shortly. We're gonna have some little events, little things that are going on. We're gonna have some food up here as well, for food for purchase, but there's also a full liquor bar inside. Bathrooms are inside as well. So again, thank you guys for coming, and this car right here, you have to watch out. There's a machine gun, so you got your bulletproof vest.
Don't mess with that guy. Yeah. That guy with the white top. Don't mess with Nick. Whatever you want to do. Mess with Eric, mess with me.
You talking to me?
Mess with Roxy, but don't mess with Nick. That's my final word.
He's just going to come after you.
Not always a picnic, but Nick.
Not always a picnic with Nick. I love that.
This is a 1948 Cadillac presidential limo. Okay, this is John, my brother.
It's a 1948 Cadillac limousine. It originally belonged to the ambassador from France, André Bonnet, and he was the ambassador here for 15 years. And knew his children from France, and I was working over there.
It looks very expensive. It looks beautiful.
Need a Uber ride?
All original, exterior, interior.
I even see champagne glasses in there. What is that, made out of crystal?
They're crystal.
Wow.
And it's got the pull-out seats.
One thing I got to tell you though, it doesn't have birth control seats.
See these seats?
Wow.
These pull out. This is what you had in limos on both sides.
Just leave that one
This
out.
window goes up and down.
Oh, Andrew and Pete. Well, you get here in front, right here.
This car is amazing, but it's really small inside. I noticed that. It's a muscle car, but it's very tiny. Beautiful. Love it. This is one of my favorites. This can be anybody's for $45,000. It's for sale. And I love this one. It's beautiful. In and out.
We heading down here to Key. We going to Key West today. Got a long travel, but Miss Anna Marie is driving us to Key West today.
Yes.
And we're gonna have a good time. With the drop top. We got the drop top and the Cadillac. Enjoy us.
Heck yeah.
Let me ask you this. See what you think this is. try to keep it lower than normal. Otherwise.
In olden days, a glimpse of stocking was looked on as something shocking. Now heaven knows anything goes.
Everyone! Woo!
And good authors too, who once knew better today, and days, nights today, when most guys today that women prize today are just silly gigolos. So though I'm not O's, anything goes again. So let us sing a song of cheer again. Happy days are here. She's gonna cry until I tell her that I'll never roam. So Chattanooga choo-choo, won't you choo-choo me home? Leave the Pennsylvania station about 3:45. I used to call Funny Face. She's gonna cry until I tell her that I'll never roam. Oh, Chattanooga choo-choo, won't you choo-choo me home?
Oh, I'm Flapper Stella, and my gangster is...
Machine Gun Kelly.
Machine Gun Kelly.
And he's gonna kill me if I can't Charleston. He's a professional, he's a ballroom dancer all over.
A ballroom dancer that goes right with Machine Gun Kelly.
Higher than I can.
Oh, and he even, if you guys don't see, he even has a tie with a $sign. I would be afraid to even come close to you. I don't.
Bonus!
And he did say he's going to dance for money, but I tell you what, remember, we're PG-13 here. I see them pulling out dollars out of their pocket now. PG-13. Tammy, that goes for Tangi, that goes for you too. And he just...
The man was there, baby began to wail. Band was jumping and the joint began to swing. Shooter heard the knock, bird, bird sing, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the old cell block. Was the hammer in the jailhouse rock. Tiny Murphy played the tenor saxophone. Little Joe was blowing on the slide trombone. Little drummer boy from Illinois went bang. The whole rhythm section was the Purple Gang. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the old cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Number 47 said to number 3, you're the cutest neighborhood I ever did see. Sure be delighted with your company. Come on and do the jailhouse rock with me. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the old cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Yeah. Sad sack was sitting on a block of stone, way over in the corner weeping all alone. The warden said, hey buddy, don't you be no square. If you can't find a partner, use a wooden chair. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the old cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Shifty said the bugs, for heaven's sake. No one's looking now, a chance to make a break. Buggy's done to Shifty and he's out next next. And stick around while I get my kicks, so let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the old cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Dancing to the jailhouse rock.
Yes.
Dancing to the jailhouse rock. Dancing.
You'll never dance with me again.
Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. All right. I chew my nails and I twiddle my thumbs. I'm real nervous, but it sure is fun. We're shaking it, baby, now.
Come on, you guys know the words and the singing. Come on up, all the twisted shouters.
Get it, baby, now. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on and work it on out. You know you twist a little girl. You know you twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now. And let me know that you're mine. All right, everyone knows this part, so I want to hear you. Twist a little girl. You know you twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now. And let me know that you're mine. Well, shake it, baby, now. Shake it, baby, now. Shake it, baby, now. Here we go again.
He said that. So what's your name?
My name's Saunders Hutchinson, and I rule the roost over here.
You sound just like Eric.
You sound just like a pilot. Have you ever been a pilot before? I'm just kidding.
Once in a while.
Number, that's why I had to get off the stage.
She's such a
Oh, Brian. I'm sorry I had to come to this. Get up. I'm tired, aren't I?
Dance or I'll shoot.
Here on the stage, can you climb?
Desiree, there's, well, she's working, but there's Desiree's mum, who's Angie's
Turn
daughter.
around.
I know.
So, Beckham, I want to ask you a question. Who's the boss? Boys. Round of applause for Beckham. You're trained well. We got that on video.
Cool.
She's getting ready.
She was born like a pretty queen from a movie scene. I said I don't mind, but what do you mean? I'm the one who will things on my car get around. And she said I'm the one who dance on the floor get around. Always told me be
Whoa! Guys, give her a round of applause. They're doing it. It takes a lot of guts to do this. Uh-oh. She's got the moves. Tough to cover.
His mother told him someday you will be a man, and you will be the leader of a big old band. Many people coming from miles around to hear you play music when the sun goes down. Maybe someday your name will be a lot. Could anybody fill my gown? Hey, okay. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I wanna be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes, and there's two, are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I wanna wake up in the city that doesn't sleep, to find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap.
Whoa, here we go. Roxy, go high. Whoa! I can't even reach that high. Oh, wait. We've got two right here. Kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. She's high. Roxy. Go. Whoa. Whoa. King of the hill. Roxy, you did it.
These little town blues are melting away.
Round of applause for all these brave people on stage.
Don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Get him to this timely tip. And you make that California trip. Get your kids on Route 66. Now you go through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, and Oaks, mighty pretty old sea. Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Won't you get here to this timely trip?
Let's do it again. Both together.
When you make that California trip on Route 66.
Mary, where are we going?
It doesn't matter. We'll just go.
We're just gonna go?
Turn the GPS on.
Just turn the GPS on? Thank you.
There's it.
All right.
What's GPS?
Hey, where's the champagne? Gatsby. Gatsby. That's why he's called the Great Gatsby. Woo! To the party. I'm going to Charleston all night.